Have you ever wondered how they actually make the dark mode functions in websites? Or, I mean, it's everywhere now. Even in your mobile apps, you have dark mode or light mode or default mode. So this is how they actually do it. So this is a normal HTML document, right? So we have in-file styling. This is a basic form. We have a button, which is this button here, and toggle dark mode. Okay, so it's a normal button, and we have an H1, which is a basic welcome to dark mode, and we have this text just for an example. So what they do is you use two different modes. So you're going to have a set of colors for every element in your website, for the light mode and the dark mode. So you're going to have two different types of colors for each mode. So this one is a default mode, which is the light mode. So you can see our background is white and our colors are black. The text colors are black. The font is, the transaction background, the colors when you hover, and all those things. Okay, so this is the default colors. Okay, so we also have a second group of colors, which is your dark mode styles. So this is the dark mode. So the background color is different. It's dark, it's black, as you can see, and the text color is white, and the button also is going to change colors, and the hover effect also will change. So this is what we're going to be doing. So of course we'll need the ID for the button, so we can be able to use that for the JavaScript. So right here we'll just use a simple script. We'll call it, we're going to be using a script for the JavaScript. So what we need now is we need to get the button element. So how do we do that? Is we'll call it toggle button, and we'll get it from the documents.get element. We store it as an ID. It's this one right here. Okay, so just grab this, copy this. Okay, so we stored it as an ID. So now what we need is we need to just get that, target that. We're just targeting this for now. So now that we have that button, the button ID, we need to add an event listener so that we can be able to turn it on and off. So we're going to get our toggle button, and we're going to add an event listener. So this is going to be in effect when you click the button. So when you click, we need something to happen. So we're going to use an arrow function. This is what we call an arrow function. So when we click, we need this to happen. So when we click this, we need to access the class of the body, which is the dark mode. Okay, so we're going to have document dot body dot body dot the class list. So we're going to get that toggle, and we saved it as dark mode, like that. So believe it or not, this should be it. This should be everything that we need to be able to turn the dark mode on and off. So should we press this button now, you can see it goes directly to dark mode. The background color changes, the text color changes to white, and we are now in dark mode. If we want to go to light mode, just press the button again, it'll go back. So it toggles back and forth. And this is how you can actually make a dark or light mode with JavaScript. It's the simplest way you can do it. There's other ways of doing it, but this is the simplest and good way to practice and learn.